When the earth cracks open and giant waves swallow entire cities, we suddenly realize that true power has never been in human hands. Nature doesn't need a warning, because every time it unleashes its fury, it silences the entire world in fear. Each disaster isn't just a mark of destruction, but a reminder that to survive, humanity must learn to live in harmony with nature, prepare wisely, and minimize the damage it can bring. All right then. Let's begin our journey to uncover the moments that made the whole world bow before the boundless power of our planet. Starting off with pure intensity, on Merritt Island, Florida, this morning storm was truly nature's fury unleashed. Hailstones the size of golf balls came crashing down, striking everything in their path, made even worse by powerful gusts of wind. This wasn't just an ordinary storm. It was a clear reminder of nature's unpredictable and devastating power. It didn't just devastate the trees. What the hailstorm left behind was pure destruction. You can see the windows of this car completely shattered, cracked under the force of last night's hailstorm. Truly terrifying. Oh my God! The entire city is now blanketed in a cold, eerie layer of white hail. Next, the entire city was suddenly swallowed by a violent storm, as torrential rain poured down, causing severe flooding across residential areas. It wasn't just the sky that raged. As the water rose, it turned everything into a desperate ocean. All vehicles were trapped, with no way to escape nature's fury. Alright, don't forget to drop a number 1 in the comments so we can continue exploring the natural disasters that have struck China. And what's left after the storm is a haunting scene of devastation. The storm seemed to have passed, leaving behind a fragile moment of calm. But no, it was only the beginning of a chain of disasters that followed. At George Island, sea levels rose far beyond the danger mark, swallowing an entire house within just minutes under the relentless force of the waves. When people think of Japan, they can't forget the powerful and devastating earthquakes that have shaken the nation. According to global statistics, Japan lies in one of the most seismically active regions in the world, where earthquakes and tsunamis can strike at any moment. Earthquakes in Japan don't just shake the ground, they leave behind devastating losses in both lives and property. Even worse, they often trigger secondary disasters like landslides and tsunamis, making every rescue effort incredibly difficult. It's not just a test of human endurance, but also a powerful reminder that in the face of nature's might, only willpower and unity can help us stand strong against it. What's even more terrifying is that before this disaster could subside, another one struck, as if nature itself was testing humanity's endurance. Violent tremors from deep within the earth not only caused massive destruction, but also disrupted Japan's geological structure. According to reports, these are the devastating consequences that struck Tokyo, Japan, after days of being battered by the massive tsunami. Fortunately, thanks to early warnings and the government's swift preparations, millions of residents were safely evacuated, a true testament to Japan's remarkable resilience and discipline in the face of disaster. Alright, let's continue our journey to Iceland, the land of snowy mountains and magnificent icebergs, true wonders gifted to us by nature.
Oh, I do hear.
What's happening? Oh my god, it's about to collapse. Oh my goodness. This clip captures the rare moment when a group of lucky tourists witnessed a massive chunk of ice breaking off. Even those who regularly observe ice formations don't often get the chance to see such a breathtaking sight. These moments serve as a reminder that nature isn't always gentle. Always be prepared, pay attention to weather warnings, and protect yourself from extreme conditions. If you found this video helpful or impressive, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming content.